Title: The Surprising Secret Life of Kleptoplasts, Algae that Steal Chloroplasts. Content: Imagine a tiny organism so small you'd need a powerful microscope to see it, engaging in a bizarre form of biological robbery. This isn't some fictional creature from a science fiction novel. It's a real-life phenomenon, the captivating world of kleptoplasts. The name itself hints at the action. Klepto meaning thief, and plast referring to chloroplasts. These fascinating organisms are essentially photosynthetic bandits, stealing the very structures that allow plants to harness the sun's energy. Chloroplasts are the powerhouses of plant cells, the tiny organelles where photosynthesis occurs. They are responsible for converting sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into the sugars that fuel the plant's life. Most organisms that carry out photosynthesis possess these chloroplasts through inheritance, receiving them from their parent cells. But kleptoplasts take a different, more dramatic route. They acquire them by consuming other organisms. This isn't a simple case of digestion. Kleptoplasts actively maintain and utilize the stolen chloroplasts. They ingest algae or other photosynthetic organisms, breaking down most of the cellular contents but carefully preserving the chloroplasts within their own cells. This process is incredibly remarkable, demonstrating a sophisticated level of cellular control and adaptation. Consider the sacadois sea slugs, a group of marine mollusks that exemplify kleptoplasty. These slugs feed on algae, and not only do they retain the chloroplasts, but they integrate them into their own cells, maintaining them for weeks or even months. The slugs then use these stolen chloroplasts to generate their own energy from sunlight, effectively becoming temporary photosynthetic creatures. This incredible ability gives them a significant survival advantage, supplementing their diet and reducing their need to constantly hunt for food. The mechanism behind kleptoplasty remains a subject of ongoing research, but scientists are gradually uncovering the intricacies of this fascinating process. It involves a complex interplay between the kleptoplast's own cellular machinery and the proteins and genes within the stolen chloroplasts. The kleptoplast cleverly suppresses the algae's cellular defenses and somehow keeps the chloroplasts functioning within its own vastly different cellular environment. One of the most intriguing aspects of kleptoplasty is its evolutionary implications. The ability to steal and utilize chloroplasts represents a unique strategy for survival and adaptation. It highlights the remarkable flexibility of life and the unexpected ways organisms can evolve to exploit their surroundings. These tiny chloroplast thieves are a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of the natural world. The very concept of a creature essentially hijacking the photosynthetic machinery of another organism is a biological marvel, blurring the lines of what we consider conventional relationships between species. The longevity of the stolen chloroplasts is also surprising. Within the alga, the chloroplasts have a limited lifespan, eventually breaking down. But within the kleptoplast's cells, they can persist for significantly longer periods, allowing the organism to reap the benefits of photosynthesis for an extended duration. This suggests a remarkable degree of cellular compatibility and integration, far beyond simple consumption. Further research into kleptoplasty promises to unravel further insights into cellular biology, evolutionary processes, and the surprising diversity of life on Earth. Studying kleptoplasts could even inspire advancements in fields like biotechnology, potentially leading to new approaches in energy production or other applications. Kleptoplasty serves as a humbling reminder of the intricate and often unexpected strategies employed by organisms to survive and thrive in diverse environments. It underscores the creative power of evolution and the endless capacity of life to adapt, evolve, and even steal its way to success. The humble kleptoplast, a microscopic thief, is indeed a remarkably fascinating creature, a living testament to the dynamism of the natural world. Their story is a powerful illustration of the fact that sometimes the most successful survival strategy involves a bit of daring, a touch of ingenuity, and a healthy dose of thievery. The study of kleptoplasty is still in its relatively early stages. As scientists continue to investigate the intricate processes involved, we can anticipate even more intriguing discoveries regarding this unique and remarkable form of cellular adaptation.